Oh, it's okay. Just a short message.
Birthday, Reese.
Thank you, Ate Mary. Nahiya.
O, kiss mo, si Riz.
Kiss mo si Reese. Hug mo siya. Kiss and hug. Kiss and hug.
Thank you.
Birthday, Riz. God bless you always, and we love you so much. I hope you have a good time.
Thank you, Ate. Picture. Okay. Second, let's have for the candle, Ate Althea Paras.
Oh, tayo muna. Tayo muna.
Ever since you were a baby,
Anyway.
you always bring so much joy
Ay,
to
mabilis lang.
people around you. Sana yung pagiging pag-ibig mo and
Edwin.
the happiness in your heart
Kausap pala.
Hug na lang.